Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today sharing a very sizzling, flavorfully delicious starter recipe, that's crispy garlic paneer. This starter recipe is not only very easy and simple to make, but also tastes extremely delicious. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notified for upcoming interesting videos. So let's learn how to make crispy garlic paneer at home in an easy way. So these are the ingredients we require. So here I have taken 250 grams of paneer, that's Indian cottage cheese. Then we require some of the veggies. That includes 1 medium sliced onion, 1 medium sized carrot that's cut into julienne size, 1 cup of thinly sliced cabbage, 1 medium sized capsicum that's also thinly sliced. Then we require a cup of chopped spring onions and a cup of garlic chopped finely. Then 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes and salt as per taste. Firstly, we're gonna marinate the paneer. For that I'm adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour. It will give a nice crispy texture. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Then add little salt as per taste. Here I am using Himalayan pink salt. Then mix and combine all very well. This basic marination will give a nice crispy and tasty flavor to paneer. Marinate for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, heat up a pan. Keep the flame on medium-low. Here I am using cast iron pan. Then drizzle little oil as we're gonna shallow fry the paneer. So here I am using around 1 tablespoon of oil. Once oil heats up, gently place the marinated paneer. And then we're gonna fry them until they turn crispy and golden. Remember, the flame needs to be medium-low. Also, the paneer gets cooked really fast. Hence, don't leave it unattended once you have added it. Just wait for a minute and you can see the paneer is cooked. So flip it over and cook on the other side. Cook the paneer on all sides until it turns crispy. Do not overcook it. Here I am cooking in 3 batches. This is the first one. Now you can see the paneer is fried well now and turned crispy. So at this stage, transfer it to a plate. And then we move on frying the remaining paneers. Gently add the paneers and fry it until it turns crispy. You can see all the paneers are fried well now. See how well it is fried and it has turned crispy. Now keep this aside and we're gonna saute the veggies now. So for that we're gonna use the same pan. So add little more oil, say around 1 tablespoon more. And then to this add chopped garlic. Here I have used finely chopped garlic, which is around 20 to 25 garlics. This will give a nice garlic flavor to the dish as it calls for. Now saute the garlic until raw aroma goes and it turns light golden in color. You can see garlic is fried well now. So at this stage, we're gonna add the cumin seeds, the red chili flakes, and give it a good mix. Saute it for a few seconds. Once it's well sauteed, then we're gonna add the veggies. You may add any veggies of your choice. These are my favorites. So I'm adding it. So that goes in the cabbage, then goes in the capsicum, onions and carrots. Now saute the veggies for 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, do not cook the veggies completely. Otherwise it will turn soggy. So we just need to saute it for 1 to 2 minutes as we need a crunchy texture. Hence, just saute for 1 to 2 minutes. The flame is still on medium. Once it's well sauteed, to this add salt as per taste and black pepper powder. You may adjust the spice as per your taste. Then I would like to add 1 tablespoon of sugar to it. This is completely optional. However, this will give a sweet, sour and spicy flavor to the dish. Now give a good mix and then saute for a minute. Now to this, add the spring onions, that's the green part, and mix it well. Now to this we're going to add soya sauce. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and then mix it again. Once soya sauce is mixed well, to this we're going to add the fried paneer which we have kept aside. So add in the paneer and then give a good mix. Mix the paneer very well and allow it to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. And that's it. A flavorfully delicious crispy garlic paneer is absolutely ready. Isn't this very simple dish? It's very easy to make. This dish can be served as a starter or as an evening snack and also can be used as a filling to rotis or parathas. Now let me quickly show you how to serve on a sizzler plate. For that I am heating up a cast iron sizzler plate. Once it heats up, add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee and now fill the plate with the cooked garlic paneer. You can hear this sizzling sound. Once the plate is ready, to this just drop a teaspoon of soya sauce and serve hot. This dish tastes really yummy and is a must-try recipe. Do try it and you'll surely love it. In my channel I have also shared Kadai Paneer recipe. We'll share the link in the description box. Please do check. A delicious crispy garlic paneer is ready. Look how beautiful and tempting this looks, and it tastes awesome too. Hope you like this simple sizzler recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notification for my upcoming videos. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself, stay healthy and safe. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.